good day. It's me, Jaycee, and welcome to Robot Showtunes, my very own YouTube channel where I get to review Transformers toys, Voltus 5 toys, Macross Robotech toys, Evangelion toys, and whatever the hell I want. And for this video, we are doing something slightly different. Viewers, this here is an authentic unboxing. Now, unlike the past videos, there are like only 2 of them so far, I will be opening this box for the very first time. I just got this morning and decided to squeeze this in the publishing schedule because I've never really reviewed anything straight out of the box. The experience, I'm guessing, will be slightly different, or maybe a whole lot different for both you and me. I'm calling this, and future videos like this, Robot Showtunes Ad-Libs. Yes, I am really sticking with the musical theme I cooked up. But don't worry not about the next Robot Showtunes. That is still pushing through on the 13th. I know you're excited to see Prowl, Bluestreak, and Smokescreen, the Dotson brothers. I know I am. So, here is the subject of my first RS ad-lib. Good Smile Company's Roy Mustang, Nendoroid. I got him on Facebook Market. As you can see, the box is still sealed. Let's put an end to that, shall we? One, two. Okay, so unlike my past 2 videos, this one's largely unscripted, meaning more unscripted than usual, so apologies in advance if I come off like a blithering idiot. So, there is everyone's favorite Flame Alchemist. Looks like a single clamshell. Ooh, against glossy blue cardboard. Yeah. And let's see, there's the main figure, flame effects, 2 pairs of gloved hands, a naked hand, there's the default face, 2 faces, 2 arms, I'm thinking, and 1 leg, looks like. And here is what I'm guessing is a stand, and this instruction booklet, of course in Nihongo, so we'll just intuit stuff from the pictures. Oh, there's this flame effect on the side. Okay, opening him up. Away with you, blue cardboard. Okay. Okay. Oh, that is a tight fit. Main figure. Mummified in plastic. Oh, he's so cute, isn't he? Let's see. Wow. That's a lot of plastic. Hold on. It's really stuck to his face. How does one remove? Okay, let's clean him up later, maybe. Okay, more or less clean. Okay, everything's out of the way. Alright, here's Roy, the Flame Alchemist himself. Actually, Roy is my favorite character in I watched Brotherhood. I did not watch the first anime, the first FMA. Anyway, he is my favorite character because he's got this cute baby boy face that's usually a resting bitch face, so he looks like a scowling baby most of the time, and he has this that's actually at odds at his low and reedy voice provided by Travis Wilmingham, I think his last name is Travis Wilmingham or something like that. I'll look that up later. Anyway, so here he is. Articulation. Your head can do a 360. His coat is actually a separate piece. It's so cool. Oh, okay, you can take it off. And there is a bicep swivel. Bicep swivel. Okay, bicep swivel. And the arm is a looks like a single hinge. Just does a 90-degree bend. Looks like there's a universal joint of some kind, so he can swing his arm up to here. There is, I believe, is there? Yes, there is a waist swivel, and the feet. Fresh out of the box, I think these feet can be articulated, but sorry about that. The feet can be more articulate if not for his uniform. So fresh out of the box, there is limited articulation, but maybe his uniform can be altered to give him more articulation. Let's look at his coat. But I don't think these things can stand by themselves really, so yeah, let's lean him against the wall. His coat is how many pieces? I think 3. So I'm not sure if you're meant to take them apart, but here's one piece, here's another, and here's a third piece. Oh, I think it's 5 pieces because the sleeves are articulate. And that's basically it. This flame effect, I think, goes with the hand. I'll have to read the instructions into it, how that works. This is actually his default face. I'm not sure why they packaged him smiling. This is what he usually looks like. And here is his comical, evil, laughing face. Let's see. This is a... I actually don't know what it is. I'll just have to read the instructions. Wait. Just to show you what the instructions look like. It's 3 folds. Okay. Alright. So this, I think, is an arm, but we'll get to that. This, for sure... Oh, hold on. I think... Maybe... Okay, we'll figure that out. I'll come back. I'll get back to you. Here's one leg. Here's the stand. Let me take it out. If I haven't mentioned it before, this is my first Nendoroid, so I don't know how this works, and I really didn't look it up on YouTube or anywhere else for that matter. Here's a stand. There are multiple. How does this work? Okay, we'll get to that. Finally, here are the hands. Okay, and no, not finally here. You have the flame effect. I think it's a flame circle on the what that he summons to surround him. Again, this is a lot of plastic. A certain Roy, a friend of mine, would not like all this plastic. He's such an environmentalist, that friend of mine. And not that it's a bad thing. It's actually a very good thing. I wish people took the time to be more mindful of how much plastic they consume. Oh look, there's English. Okay. Oh, Glee. Oh, joy of joys. Okay, hold on. Let's see. The parts are numbered and lettered, though not labeled. And there is an instruction on how to change face parts. Okay, let me try to. Face parts can be interchanged by removing front hair portion. Okay, I see it. Ooh, yes. Ah, nice forehead. Okay, so get this smiley face and get this more appropriate, I suppose, pouting baby face. Okay. Head back can be removed from neck joint plate. Do I need to do that? No, I don't. No, that's not necessary. I don't have anything that I don't have any back of the head alternate parts, so yeah, just this will be enough. There you have Roy in his more usual facial expression. Okay, let's see. And here you also have use brace by inserting wide plug into platform. Where is the wide plug? Ah, this is it. Okay. What next? Then thin plug into hexagonal hole on an Nendoroid. Okay, brace may slightly differ. No, it may, but this instance, it looks quite the same. There. Okay. What else does it say? The Nendoroid brace can fit into various holes. Yeah, various holes in the on the platform. Please note that those with a smaller diameter are for use with the Nendoroid brace. Okay, so that's it. This is actually a basic, these are basic instructions. They don't have character specific instructions like what do I do with this. So I think it's easy enough. You put this around Roy like so. The flame, oh yeah, where's his lighter? Should have a lighter, right? You can see it. Okay, I'll look at the box. See. while I thought he had a lighter accessory. Anyway, well, what's not in the on the instructions can be intuited with the pictures on the box. Ah, hold on. Where can I put it so I can see how this works? Alright, let's see you. Something like that, I suppose. And then the circle of flame. Let's see, what else? These alternate arms. Okay, let's try. Oh, let's do the fists first. Like, well, maybe not all of them because they'll all probably work the same way. So remove these naked hands. Get some gloves on him. This is his snapping finger thing, ngamajigger. Pretty simple pegging system. I mean, it's not rocket science. Okay, there you go. Now let's change the arms. Ah, that makes sense. Okay. This is why it doesn't have looked so weird. It's because, well, there's no peg for the hand. It's because it's for this pose, when he's crossing his arms. Clever. Okay, so that's one mystery solved. And there's the matter of this 1 foot. Why is this 1 foot so... Let's see... Box, what can you tell me about his 1 foot? It's bent at the knee. Is the left foot or right foot? Hold on. Let me take this out. So he's kind of stepping or something. Anyway, let's put back his arms. Okay. And let's see. Let's give him a final pose for this video. La. And I guess, oh wait, one more thing mentioned in the instructions. This is a spare joint. So I'm not sure for what, but yeah, spare joint. Anyway, that is all I can say about Nendoroid Roy Mustang. Pretty cute. I think I would prefer Nendoroids to Funko Pops, because Funko Pops are rigid and kind of like glorified bobbleheads. If you want something that's actually a toy and a figure at the same time, and you want to create dioramas, recreate scenes from your favorite anime or other shows, because there are Avengers Nendos. I think Nendo is the figure for you. So, that's all for today. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you want more Robot Showtunes in the future, and like us on Facebook if it so please you. Again, thanks for watching, and goodbye.